This is a picture of a MK-08K helicopter which was purchased off of eBay. The helicopter was sent to me with a return address of Fulfillment Services at 14235 Ramona Avenue, Cheney, California, zip code 91710. This plane was received 2 days ago, and I have been unable to get it to fly since receiving it. The instructions are very vague but readable, but I have tried everything I know and it still will not fly. Looking at the video, you can see that it is charging. There is a red light inside that lights up when you hook the charger to it. It has been charged overnight. This is the receiver. It has 6 new AA batteries in it. And as I will show you, I am going to unplug the helicopter and turn it on with the switch on the right side to on, which hopefully you can see. As you can see, it is on. I just turned it on. I'm going to now turn on the transmitter. And as you can see, the light has lit. It's red and it is blinking. And it will keep doing this for an unlimited amount of time. I have put the selector switch. It has 3 settings, A, B, and C. It came on A. I put it on A and it doesn't change the function of the controller at all, or with the helicopter. Okay, the helicopter I'm going to turn it on, which is already on, I'm sorry. It's already on, and as you can see, as I use the controls, there is absolutely no activity from the helicopter at all. I know that the charger has been hooked up overnight, and I just unplugged it, and it's absolutely no function at all from the helicopter. I've used other helicopters, as can be seen, and have not had anything like this problem at all. Thank you.